Welcome.
There are the different types of people that involve themselves in preservation. Number one, you've got the railway enthusiast who just wants to see trains working. You've got the railway preservationist who wants to keep the steam train running in its original area, but that is also that they want to preserve steam operations, but they are not taking a broader view. You've got the frustrated engineers who like to work with their hands and fix things, and you've got a heritage person. Now, the fundamental difference here is that this is a heritage organization. It has the objective of developing a working rail and steam museum, fostering research. If you look at the 6th class we were running today, that 6th class is in the condition it used to pull the suburban passenger trains on the Cape Town suburban lines before they electrified in 1929. So you have a lot of history sitting here which a preserved railway would not be interested in. We are very different to a preserved railway.
Okay. The SANRASM collection contains 100 locomotives. Most of them are not in working order, but they were saved from being cut up for scrap and lost forever. This historic locomotive runs along an equally historic railway line. Randfontein Estate Gold Mine was opened in 1889. The mining shafts dot the landscape. The rail line is used to transport all the gold-bearing ore to the reduction plant.